Cocomi convener Kuraija Mathauba Alleges that the governor and the chief secretary have failed to respond despite the submissions of memorandum on the 16 occasions by Cocomi and internally displaced persons seeking concrete steps for early resettlement of displaced families in their native places. He was speaking on the sideline of the ongoing month-long relay sit-in staged by IDPs at Lamboi Khong Nang Khong in Imphal West today. Athoba said Cocomi members had spent nights at Moirang College relief camp and expressed serious concern over the harsh living conditions faced by IDPs in relief camps. He informed that a Cocomi team visited Fogakchau Ikai Mamang Laikai earlier in the day to verify reports that displaced residents had begun returning to their homes since yesterday. According to Athoba, most IDPs from the Torbung area are now in a position to return to their villages. However, he alleged lapses in security deployment in several peripheral areas and said Cocomi has been continuously inspecting vulnerable locations. Athoba added that based on the field assessments, Cocomi has prepared a detailed map for effective security deployment, which will be submitted to the security advisor for necessary action.
How the people are appealing, on what basis this resettlement has to be carried out. The assured time is till December 31st and now we are left with only 16 days. And during these 16 days, we expect the Honorable Governor and the Chief Secretary of the State to at least acknowledge the grievances, the discontentment and the proposal submitted daily by the representative of IDPs, which has always been endorsed by the Cocomi from day one itself. So we want the current administration to acknowledge the grievances of the people and convey all the steps which have been taken up till today through their district administration, inform to the public that how they are taking up the plan or the assured plan for resettlement.